Hi everyone, I'm Penny Catterall of Order Your Life, and we're back for another digital decluttering tip of the week. So last week I talked about the importance of cleaning out your downloads folder, and today I'm going to give you a few more tips on how to get this really important folder cleaned out. If you have a Mac, you can find this folder using the Finder app on your dock, and if you have a PC, you can find it in File Explorer. I've noticed that we usually have a lot of stuff that accumulates in this folder without us ever knowing it, and then over time it really builds up and can clog up your computer and your computer speed. I've seen downloads going back like 10 years on some of my clients' computers because they just transfer all their files from one computer to another when they get a new one, and they don't ever clean out the old stuff. You could look at this downloads folder and be totally overwhelmed trying to decide what should you keep, what should you not keep. But I'm going to say that chances are that if you've had downloads going back like 10 years, you most likely don't need them anymore, or you already put them somewhere else on your computer. However, if you really want to sort through your downloads and try to look at what you've got there, one easy way to figure it out is to sort them by type. And there's different ways to sort, and you're probably going to have to Google that depending on what kind of computer you have. But that basically means that all the files that are of a similar type are all grouped together. So all your pictures are together, all your installation files are together. It's really easy to just delete all the installation files, as I spoke about last week. And I've noticed that a lot of people really want to keep their photos. They may have been sent photos and downloaded them from an email and then never put them anywhere. So if you've got all of your photos together, it's really easy to just select them all and drag them into Apple Photos if you have a Mac, or onto the picture folders of your PC. And at least with Apple Photo, if you're importing pictures you already have in there, it will only import the new ones for you. Another tip for easily cleaning out that overwhelming folder is to look for files which all have the same name, that have like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. after the file name. And that means that you've downloaded the same file multiple times and probably don't need that many copies of the same thing if you need any at all. So I hope these tips are useful in continuing to get your downloads folder cleaned out. Please feel free to put any questions in the comments. And if you missed last week's tip, you can check out my Facebook page or subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will put a link to that in the comments as well. Bye, and see you for next week's digital decluttering tip.